Hello students, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to you in All About Physics. Alhamdulillah, I am fine and hope that you are also fine. Students, today it's our first lecture of 9th standard physics. In this lecture, we will discuss the basics of physics. Students, I hope that you will understand my lecture. Students, we are going to discuss these contents. We will talk about science, then we will talk about the definition of physics, branches of physics. In this lecture we will discuss 3 branches of physics: mechanics, heat and sound. So students, let's start our lesson. If you have any query, then put into comment section and hopefully I will give you the answer of your question. Students, this is our first content, which is science. Student, listen. The knowledge gained through observation and experimentations is called science. It means the knowledge that gained through observation and experimentation. When we observe anything and we had performed any experiment in lab, then the knowledge gained, it is called science. It means ऐसा इल्म जो हम मुशाहिदात और तजर्बात से हासिल करते हैं, उसे हम क्या कहते हैं कि ये साइंस है. The word science derived from the Latin word scientia, which means knowledge. Students, साइंस का लफ्ज़ लातीनी ज़ुबान के एक लफ्ज़ साइंटिया से निकाला गया है, जिसका मतलब है इल्म. Students, we are going to discuss our second content, which is physics. What is physics? Students, you have to learn the study of matter, energy and their interaction is called physics. मादा और एनर्जी के बाहमी ताल्लुक़ का मुतालिया करते हैं. स्टूडेंट्स, इसे हम क्या कहते हैं? इसे हम फिज़िक्स कहते हैं. स्टूडेंट्स, आवर third content is branches of physics. Students, now we are going to discuss the branches of physics. Let's see. Our first branch is mechanics. What is mechanics? It is the study of motion of object, its cause and effect. It means the motion of any object. The motion of any object, that cause and effects. Students, इसका मतलब ये है कि इसमें हम इज्साम की हरकत के असरात और वजूहात का मुताला करते हैं। We discuss the effects and causes of the motion of the object. I hope you understand from the example. Students, in this picture you can see that rectilinear, curvilinear, translatory, circulatory, oscillatory and periodic. These are all examples of motion. You know, students, when a man is running, he is in motion. When a car is running, he is in motion. When a wall clock is in rotation, it is in motion. Hope you understand these examples. Next branch is heat. What is heat? It deals with the nature of heat, modes of transfer and effects of heat. It means ये हरारत की माहियत, इसके असरात और इंतकाले हरारत पर बहस करती है. It means it discusses the transfer and effect of heat. In these examples we can see that the wood is burnt and we can take heat from the burning process of wooden. As you know that hands are feeling heat and the wood is burning. In the other example, a beaker, we had taken a beaker and we burned fire, and then we can see that the temperature of the object in the picture. Hope you also understand this example. And another branch of physics is sound. Students, it deals with the physical aspects of sound and of aspects of sound waves, their propagation, properties and applications. Simply, I can tell you, इसमें आवाज़ की लहरों के तबई पहलुओं, इनकी पैदाइश, ख़ास और इतलाक़ का अहाता किया जाता है. In this branch we can study the properties of sound, applications of sound and the production of sound and how sound waves are produced. In the examples, in the first example we can see that when we hit the drum, membranes of drum vibrates producing sound. When we hit the drum and then sound is produced. यानी जब हम ड्रम को हिट करते हैं, जब हम ड्रम को मारते हैं, जब हम ड्रम को बजाते हैं तो क्या होता है, इससे वाइब्रेशन पैदा होती है और फिर साउंड प्रोड्यूस होता है. व्हेन वी प्ले अ गिटार, जब हम गिटार बजाते हैं तो क्या होता है, द स्ट्रिंग ऑन इट मेक्स टू एंड फ्रो मोशन एंड प्रोड्यूस साउंड। तो क्या होता है, इस पे जो स्ट्रिंग्स लगी हुई हैं, जो इसके ऊपर रस्सियाँ लगी हुई हैं, वो आपस में मोशन करती हैं, हरकत करती हैं, और क्या होता है, साउंड पैदा होता है। एंड द थर्ड एग्जाम्पल इज ट्यूनिंग फॉर्क। हम क्या करते हैं, साउंड प्रोड्यूस बाय द वाइब्रेटिंग prong ऑफ ए ट्यूनिंग फॉर्क। यानी कि जब साउंड प्रोड्यूस करने के लिए हम ट्यूनिंग फॉर्क्स को आपस में बजाते हैं या हिलाते हैं, तो क्या होता है कि साउंड पैदा होता है। स्टूडेंट्स, होपफुली you understand today's lecture, and I am very thankful to you that you pay full attention to my lecture. Please subscribe my channel. If you can't subscribe my channel, then please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Hopefully you will enjoy physics with simple examples. Inshallah we will meet in next video. Allah Hafiz.